It's install day, guys. Top of the world, everyone. Let's get this Tacoma decked out. Bam. Continental Divide, tallest mountain in Colorado, Mount Albert right there. It's a beautiful day for an install. I've only had this truck for a couple days, but I'm already making it mine. Seeing that we have the access cab, I'm gonna put a topper on the back. We're gonna build out the back to have storage and shelving for my tools. I don't even have all my stuff in here yet, and this is how full I am. Boots, water, gear, camera stuff, hats, whatever. Mess in here, bear spray. Charger cable goes here. Boom, so you don't cut it. And in the glove box, we're already full there as well. I got a storage solution that I'm gonna install today, hopefully to help us out here. Dad insult injury. It's kind of cool. You got a nice little pocket out of the wind here. But being a gold miner prospector, we're already loaded up with rocks. I'm gonna have to get shovels, buckets, metal detectors, all kinds of stuff back here. Space is at a premium. I'm gonna drop you guys the cheapest link for this down in the description. We got a Toyota Tacoma 2000 plus, third gen. So from 2016 plus, this will fit in the third generation Tacoma all the way up to 2023. What we got is the vehicle OCD, center console divider, tray, and glove box organizer. We're gonna get this hatch sorted out, as well as this one. Next, we're gonna have to tackle these. Aside from just Tacoma things, I'm gonna teach you guys about some gold prospecting, everyday carry survival, homesteading, traveling, living my life up here in the Rocky Mountains as a gold miner. Hit that subscribe button and come along for the ride. This vehicle is essentially an extension of myself. This is a tool that I need for my everyday life, work, and survival. With that being the case, I need spaces for all kinds of things. This is a really cheap but good little knife. Cut open this box. Wow. Careful not to take out your seats. Here we got our insert tray. This is gonna go on the top. Then we have an organizer for the bottom, and this must be the glove box kit. This truck has no shortage of cup holders. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 to 13 cup holders in here. I don't know what the heck they were thinking. So this is the center console. You might be able to hang some knives or something right up here. And you can see it's only been a couple days. I got all kinds of stuff in here. Food, chargers, Benadryl for my lady, and what have you. But it's a big stinking mess. And in my old truck, there was so much crap in there I could never find what I needed. Here's the console box empty. Just one square tube. It's got to be 8 or 9 inches deep. Okay, here we have it assembled. Now this part is kind of screwy. There you can see it says front. It won't fit in like this. You got to put it in at a weird angle, drop it down like that. Then I'm assuming we just twist it into place. And me being a rough dude, you just turn it and it'll go. It'll go. And there we have it. That's not too bad. That's better than I thought. I figured I actually wouldn't use this thing. Since my space is so tight in here, I gotta maximize every usable inch. Bam. And I opted for the full kit that I'm gonna link below because it's the cheapest, best bang for your buck. Then we got this top divider tray that sits right on top here. So here I'll be able to put, stuff I need right away. Knife maybe, contacts, whatever else. My everyday quick access items will sit up here. Everything else, you name it, will go down in here. We're getting it decked out. I'll dial it in later, but we're gonna keep these cubbies separate. We got sunscreen, some snacks, some electrical crap where the plug outlet is. Neosporin's the lifesaver. I don't have much in here right now, but emergency survival blanket. But I figure we'll put that somewhere else in the back. Getting organized is always good. So we got 2 power cords down there. So I'm gonna have all my charging devices. We got snow up on the high peaks already. Toss the tray in, Boom. Got a slot for that. Through here. Slam it shut. Boom. There we have it. I'll tuck most of this back here so I just have a little bit sticking out just to charge my phone right here in this slot right here. And leave just a little pigtail sticking out just like that. Cover it back up. It's a heck of a lot cleaner. Before we get on to the next one, we're going to talk gold rocks for 2 seconds. Right here in the distance, this yellow pile. These are tailings piles that came down from a shaft way down in the bottom of the earth. And the reason they're yellow-orange is because they're sulfide rich. What that means is there's pyrite, sulfur, all kinds of stuff in there, and it smells like rotten eggs up here. All the minerals up here are hosted alongside porphyry. This is a porphyry stone right here. Here's a more mineralized porphyry. Let's break that guy open. Bam! You can see once we crack it, we got a white inside and the outside is rusty red because the iron and other rich minerals are leaching out of the rock. Okay, we got the glove box empty. I guess it's time to take that off. Oh man, look at that. Oh, gross. It's leaving a nasty residue. What the heck is that, Toyota? What a pain. I'm gonna have to clean and remove that. I caused enough damage and dust to my vehicle as is. I don't need the manufacturer messing it up any more than I do. Very dusty person rolling around in the mud and dirt. This black, holy man, it's gonna show dust and dirt like no other. I had a little bit of dust on my pant leg and sitting here rubbing it on the side. You can see that. It just paints it white. Empty weird space glove box. Here's this piece assembled, and I just remembered not all these are created equal, guys. This one costs a couple dollars extra. However, it has these divider spaces, and most importantly, it has a much more functional top tray. The other ones have like change holders and other crap that nowadays, especially CBDC, they're gonna delete our money. We're not even gonna have change anymore. We want to maximize space, remember that. So this one, the OCD, is the better organizer. All right, let's grab it like so. Let's see if we can slide this sucker in there. There we go. I can't even see, but slid right in. Okay, it's a perfect fit, and we got some bottom cubbies, top cubby for some bigger things, and a side cubby. Everything closes up nice. Hopefully no rattles. Everything that was here is now either in here or in here. We're a little more tidied up, but I still gotta find space for all this stuff back here. Here's my little charger setup. It isn't perfect, but it'll work for now. Top of the world. Be sure to subscribe. We're gonna build out this Tacoma, make it super sweet, and find a bunch of gold.